Probably playing some weird music. Anyway, next on the agenda, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click like, subscribe. Oh, also, when you like and subscribe and click the comments, I'm sure you've seen this in every single video on YouTube. It helps the algorithm, helps you, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, but leaving a comment does make it help better. It gets me seen. So, plus if I had better videos, I'd probably be more popular. Anyway, with that said, it's 33 degrees out, and it was about 40 today with humidity. Do the math, it's hot out. Right now is a Honda video. I'm doing Honda parts. I'm actually doing a big mishmash of Honda parts this time. So take a look down here. Today's video, if I can get this camera to stop bouncing and whatever. Go like this, and go like this. All right, that's not working here. That might work. Yeah, you can see me more than the Honda parts. All right, now let's see. Oh, see my hands? Let me pick like this. No, back more. Alrighty, my bench is a mess. I picked up one of these. It was cheap. It's used. It's got a little bit of tape on it. So I bought a genuine Honda fork cover. People, if you're ordering it online, read the description, because I didn't read it and I didn't know there was tape on here, but that's fine with me. I'll crazy glue it on there. I also picked up another one of these. It's the rear differential guard on there. Let me put this down more. You can't really see. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. This is a rear differential guard, and it came with it came with some brand new rubber stoppers here, because I think there's supposed to be 3 of them on here. The thing I hate about these little, see, it came with brand new little rubbers, is I'm trying to get them in here. There's got to be a way somehow that is easy to get these in there. I don't know. So anyway, somebody please show me a trick to get these in there. I think you maybe got to pull them like this. I don't know. Heat them up, put them in boiling water or something, but there's 3 or 4 of them. They are genuine Honda rubber stoppers, in case you want to see that. Don't follow. That's what I picked up. So this is that and that. I also picked up a new used Honda headlight, which, let's see if I go like this, move it back a little, and playing camera. Why did I buy this one? Because this one is from an 86, 87. The ones have a thinner back here. Will I be able to get this thing off? I have no idea. Let me see if I can get it off first. Let's play with. Of course, there's no crescent wrenches here. Where'd they go? Where's my crescent wrench? Andy, my crescent wrench. All right. This is where I break everything I just bought. See if I get the bolt out. Believe it or not, they make. This is gonna be fun. Budge. Yeah, it's an excuse to put oil in it. Anyway, look. If you look inside, it's all rusted, and I can't heat it up because plastic. So I'm gonna have to put some lubrication in there. So anyway, this is gonna get sent. If I have to bust this off, I'm gonna have to drill it out. I'm sending this out to get blasted and painted. I'm not powder coating because can't afford that process. It's a little expensive. Oh, and the wires and the things, they're almost like, anybody know they soften up some of these wires? I know there's like conditioner for thing. But that said, oh, it's hot in here. I also picked up another genuine Honda fork boots. 2 more Honda fork boots. These I got cheaper than normal because I picked up some gas line hose, but I wasn't sure what the diameter hose was, and it's like $5 a foot. So I bought a foot of, I think this is what, 3/16. I could still use this. But the difference between 30-year-old hose and this, like, see this, I can go like this. Literally, a 30-year-old hose was like holding a tree. So, and there's this one here. It's like, I think this is the right diameter. I think this is 3/8. It doesn't tell you the size on here, does it? Does not tell you the size. But anyway, the inner diameter, I think is this. I think the bigger one's the right size. This is good for lawnmowers and stuff. So that, got that. I also picked up a choke cable. I got a set of front brakes. Some bolts that I forgot about in my car. I think that's it. That's pretty much it for the parts. Picked up a genuine Honda brakes. And it's funny because they look terrible in the package. Like they literally look like shit. But made in Japan. This is an aftermarket choke cable because Honda doesn't make the choke cables for these anymore. At least not that I know of. So I don't even know where the hell this goes. I know it goes somewhere. I don't know if it goes. I haven't ascertained. Like I said, I'm not a bike expert. I haven't ascertained where the hell this thing goes. I don't know if it goes on the carburetor, somewhere on the bike or whatever. So I think the choke goes on the carburetor because I followed the cable that's on there, and I think the cable that's on there is the what do you call it? The parking brake cable. And I think the choke cable is missing. So I have that. Brakes. And the other bike, the 86 I'm putting back together, which is one I want to ride. I'm going to do a whole front end because like I have a... I've been working on a set of forks. So if you look right here, I've been repainting those forks. I didn't do a video on that because do you really want to watch someone going... No, it's pretty boring. I mean, this could be considered boring too. But anyway, I got some new parts. You will see a video of me tinkering with this thing because I'm probably gonna get... That one looks like the fork boots seem like okay, so I might get some plastic conditioner and maybe reuse them. But I'm tearing the front end off that one. If you haven't already watched some of my videos, and I'm going to be basically doing that. I also found a neat way to jack this up without having to put a jack actually under the bike and scratch the hell out of the bike. If you look on a Honda frame, there's a, what do you call it, engine mount that's bolted on the front of the engine mount. There's a hole in the middle. So as soon as I find my two jack stands, because I don't work on cars very much, or I might go to Runnings and buy a set of big red jack stands because they sell them there for the big red. If you put two jack stands on each side and put a metal bar through it, you can place it the bike and just hold the bike without. So that's what I'm going to do. And the whole front end's coming off. And if I can't get anything off, and the reason why it's coming off is because the front rack is welded to it. And this piece right here that I think I showed you in the video is the exact same replacement for, I think it's that one or the other one. One of the headlight holders I have is bent. So, and I don't think it's that one, but this one's getting, if I get the bolts off this one and I send it out, I'm going to have this one repainted, fix it, and replace it on that one. And I'm going to clean up the headlight and the rubbers and whatever's available on the front end, I'm ordering all the bolts for and just replacing, because if I can order a couple of new bolts for the bike, replace them, why not? And next month when I get some money, there's a guy online for a place that sells a complete bolt replacement nickel plating kit for this bike, and I'm going to order them because why not? I also have a spare set of 86 bolts going here. This is an 87. So with that said, I won't bore you anymore. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, Toodles.